Hello everyone, this is the demo for my project which I made. This is basically a blog website in which we can write articles about computer science fundamentals. So let's go through the website. As of now it is running in localhost. I have also deployed it. We'll share the link in description. So what all the topics are here, like we can see in CS fundamentals we have articles on object-oriented programming, database management system, computer networks. Operating system, we have not written any articles as of now, so it's empty as of now. Then in DSA, we have articles on data structures, on algorithm, and we have practice problems. Practice problems are basically links to external sites on which you can practice. These are some important questions according to me. So let's go through the object-oriented articles. So all the articles you can see here in the drop down menu. We have divided the articles into various topics, and each topic has various subtopics. Like encapsulation, we can see it has understand encapsulation, and then we have about inheritance, about polymorphism, about abstraction. Basically you can find all the material in crisp sense here about object-oriented programming. Let's go to home and see what all things are here. And then similarly we have articles on database management system, keys in DBMS, relationships in databases, asset properties. These all articles are here. Then we have SQL also, various SQL articles. Then in database design we have introduction to normalization and various normal forms. So have a look at them. These are good articles with respect to interview, with point of view of interviews preparation. Now let's go through the data structures and algorithm parts. So we have divided the data structures into these topics: arrays, stacks, linked lists, hash tables, trees, graph, and each has some subtopics which you can go through here. Similarly, the same is for algorithms. These are all the subtopics like complexity analysis, searching, sorting, greedy techniques, recursion, backtracking, dynamic programming, and we have problems associated with each of these techniques. We've explained the solution of the problem. So yeah, and let's go through some practice, how the practice is there. So when we go to the practice problems, we can see the problems are according to the topics. Like here we can see the arrays problems are here. Then we have strings. These are all the problems of strings. Then we have searching, sorting, trees. So, and these are some miscellaneous resources. These are lead code lists of the Amazon Archive, Microsoft Archive, and these are favorite list of questions of mine. So you can go through them. You also have the facility to contribute articles. You can write your articles here, and you can enter your details and submit it. We will have a look on your article, and then we'll, based on the content you provided, we will include it into our website. And so this was all about the major structure of this website. We also have a admin console here, but the admin console we have kept it to localhost because it is not required in the online version. So the link to find it can only be found on the localhost. So this is the link. So Here we can add new articles, we can edit articles, already written articles. So these are all the topics which we have currently. We have algorithms, database management, all the broad links which we have. Now let's say we want to add some topic in database management system, we can add it from here. It lists on all the articles we have currently in the databases. We can edit it using this, and we can add a new subtopic in this topic using this add subtopic. So it was all about the admin console. Yeah, that's all for the design. I will share the link to the online version of this website in the description. You can have a look at there. Thanks and have a nice day.